Look at this. Gilfin's House 2022. Let's go over here first. Got all the got a peacock. Birdhouse. Candy cane. We got this thing right here. The past years. Animated merry-go-round. Snowmans are here this year. Santas. Oh. We got this dog. Turn over here and get on to the pigs. Mickey and Minnie. Snoopy's. Here's the Snoopy boy. And his tiny Smallbell. That's a classic. Got a tree right here. Last year, there was a sloth inside of the mailbox. Well, we'll see in a minute. What's stuck inside of the Snoopy's mailbox? Santa stopped here last year. Some of these were removed because Gilfin keeps on moving. We got Snoopy inside of the thing. We got pigs. I don't see the dance ballet pig. We got Mickey, Minnie inside a chimney, and snowman, and Star Wars characters. Got the Marion Bright sign, and the music's not turned on because Mr. Gilfin said his music gave up, so it's okay. I feel much better without the music. I feel so sad without the music. Well, got a dog inside of the stocking. North Pole, Rudolph and the North Pole. Dogs is a present. Giant nutcracker. Got a giant, big nutcracker. I got a dog, mailbox dog. I don't know where's the sloth inside the mailbox. Maybe he's in here somewhere, but got a dog. Snowman. And a dog sitting next. You can hear the noise of the snowman's. This is new, I think. New. The train. Hold on. Side 2. So here's the mailbox, the sloth inside of the mailbox. He doesn't move, but it's still fine to take a look at the sloth inside of the mailbox. And we got a car, mouse, North Pole puppy rescue. Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. That's so funny. Penguins on the sea salt. Snowman family. Penguins. And the fish the penguins catched. You got a little dog. And over here, got these polar bears. Oh, there's one moving his head. I think that's a last year purchase. Over here we got 4 items. We got the medium bright, Christmas snowing. We got a bunch of good stuff over there. Pelican. Santa's Animal Press, preservatives, whatever that says. And here's some signs. Please do not feed the animals. And over here, no hunting fish or swimming, because they don't want you to swim, because that's why there's some deer, some dancing penguins, and I wonder where. And there's Olaf. And there's the scary Santa Claus. What else is over right there? We got a dinosaur moving his head and dancing and moving. Pelican, turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Looks like Rudolph is here. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh, there's Olaf. Oh no, poor Olaf. His eye's missing. There's the bear playing his drums. And classic blow mode Santa. That's a classic. And penguins. I'll go back to another side. I didn't show you. Santa's back with this deer. No masks. No mask on him. So got the snowman. I wonder what his sign says. holiday hugs. Holiday hugs. Owl, tree, animal, Santa coming down the chimney. And I was thinking of doing a daytime video one day. Well, I forgot Charlie Brown and Snoopy. And yeah, that's Mr. Gilfin's house for 2022. I hope you enjoy, and bye-bye. Let's see. Well, first, there's the Star Wars characters. All the Star Wars. So, that is it. So, farewell, everybody. Bye-bye.